Welcome to today's video. And today's video is going to be a core vocabulary and action video. And the core vocabulary word that we will be targeting in today's video is she. She is a pronoun, so it's probably going to be yellow on your AAC system. And she is a word that we use to refer to whenever we talk about girls and something that a girl did. All right, now let's find our word she on some different AAC systems that you might be using. On Word Power 60 Basic from the Sotillo app, she.
She.
On Lamp Words for Life, the 84 full version of the vocabulary from PRC, she.
She.
On Snap Core First from Toby Dynavox, the 63 grid, she.
She.
Now let's use our word she for some different functions of communication. While playing a game, I could take turns and say, she goes next. I could use my word she to label and say, she is my friend. I could use my word she to protest and say, no, she can't have it. I could use my word she to express feelings and say, she hurt my feelings. I could use the word she to comment and say, she is a good singer. I could use my word she to relay past and future events. I could say she has a birthday tomorrow. I could use my word she to ask a question and say, does she get to play? Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. If you would like to see other videos where I take core vocabulary words and show how to use them for different functions of communication, please check out the video or playlist up here. And if you haven't already, I would absolutely love it if you would subscribe to my channel down here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.